Welcome to another Craftify AI tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use a UTM builder and a QR code generator easily and completely free. You don't even need to have a profile with us with Craftify. It's completely free for you to use. And here I'm going to show you how we're going to build a UTM builder and then turn it into a QR code that you can use for your business and put it anywhere you need. So let's start over here with the UTM builder and we'll scroll down and see what we need to do here. So we're going to first off start off by giving a little bit of information about our company. So we're going to work with our URL. So here's where you're going to give a little bit of information about why you want to track this URL. So basically the source could be that you're tracking it from a Google search or you're tracking it from an Instagram post. Let's just go ahead and say it's socials. Now, the medium might be like where someone is using that. So we want to see if it's a link on mobile. How about that? All right. Here's a great place for you to get keep information that's a little bit more specific. So if you have a certain campaign name that you're working with a certain type of campaign and you're going to run this always on that type of platform, then you can put in the campaign name here. This is how you can track the same thing that's going through different channels, and it'll all link back to understanding where that campaign is coming from. So we can just say that this one is called Social AI. When you're working with a campaign, you're going to always want to put a dash in between your words. Now you can use a term keyword here. Let's just say that the keyword is me. And then here in the content, you can also give more information. So if this is a content about post 4 or 3, sorry. All right. Now, here is our new generated URL. You can copy that to the clipboard. All of this is going to give us that information that we've given above here for our UTM. This is going to help us track what's going on our QR code. So we can come up here back to QR code generator. From here, we can copy and paste our URL and it's going to automatically generate us a nice URL. Now, what's nice about this is you can choose between your background color and foreground color to have anything that you would like to make that also work with your brand colors, however you feel. I just do recommend that you always think in contrasting colors. So you're going to want a really light one and a really dark one. So it's going to be easy for people to do this. Now, you can then download an SVG or download a PNG, and then you're ready to use that wherever you need on for a QR code. And you can track all of this information through that UTM code. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave us questions in the comments and stay tuned for more tutorials on Craftify AI.